This summer, your child can explore the world without leaving home. Educify brings tech, creativity, and fun right to your living room. From coding games and animation to digital art, storytelling, and robotics. Connect with kids from across the world. Build real skills and have fun, all from home. The summer camp runs through the month of July. You choose the schedule that fits your family. Spaces are limited and our summer cohorts always fill up fast. Visit learn.educify.org to save your child's seat today.
Can you believe it's already July? Summer's in full swing, and I've got a game changer for parents out there. Listen up. Educify Summer Camp is the coolest thing happening this month. It's all online, which means your kids can learn from anywhere. But here's the kicker. They get access to these amazing online tools that make assignments a breeze. And get this, my kids are coming to me with facts I didn't even know. It's like they're the teachers now. If you want your kids to have fun while learning this summer, you gotta check out Educify. Trust me, it's a win-win for both parents and kids. Don't let this opportunity slip away.